Hello, good morning. So many of you have learned pivot table, and there is this convenient things called top 10 filter, right? It's not only top 10, it can change it to 20%. So, but what does it mean when it comes to percent, right? So here's a good example, right? So when you do the top 10 filter, right, it shows something like that, but and then they give you this result. So what does that mean, right? Why they show customer C and customer E, right? So let me just show you what it means. Clear. So now the data here, right, consists of all these customers, right? So it's 19 customers, and the total of these 19 customers 795, which is this amount. So if you take 10% of this amount, would be 79,000. 20% would be 159,000. So and 0 to 3. So let's look at what does it mean. If I just to talk 10 items, right? Is in terms of the items. So they do a sorting and then keep the top 10 items. That's easily understand. But how about if it's a 10%, right? What does that mean 10%, right? So click OK. So they will choose that one item that the value is above or at least 79,000. So which is customer E, right? Among the top 10, right? Let's just take a group. Let's just go back here, right? Top 10s. So these are the top 10, right? So I'm going to use so these are top 10, okay? So among the top 10s, we can do a sorting. Okay, so it's customer E, right? Customer E itself, right, already has exceed 10% of this amount, so which is 79. So one will do. But when it comes to 20%, right, it has exceed 159. It's a combined value, right? So it should show Compson E and C, right? So let's just take a look again, right? Um, better still, right? Okay, let's just do one more time after we do sorting. So do a filter, and I got the percentage. Put 20%. So 20% of based on the sales, the sum of amount, right? Top 20%. So click OK. So these are the 20%. As you can see that, right, E and C combined value of 186, right, which exceed 159, at least 159. But if you want to have 30%, right, then you have to add a few more. So do we add the four more, right? So I think there should be added another one then. Let's just try one more. 30%. Yep. So a combined value of 273, right, which exceed 30% of this amount. So these are the top three, right, in terms of sales amount, right? So these three customer, you should take care very well then, right? So these are fictitious data, right? You may not need to, may not represent the real world. Thank you very much, right? So I hope that you learn the importance of top 20%, top 30%, right? It's a top, right? Now you can also work on what does that mean? Bottom, right? You can change the bottom 30%, right? Then what does that mean, right? Figure out yourself, right? One is from top, the other is from the bottom. Thank you for watching it, right? And I hope you learn some pivot tables tips, right? We have a 1 day pivot table to make you a pivot table expert. Thank you.